Garbage Trucks by Scholastic. A garbage truck is a big machine. It carries smelly cargo. Workers empty garbage cans into garbage trucks. A packer blade packs garbage down. This makes space for more. This front-loading garbage truck has an arm. The arm lifts a metal bin over the cab. It empties it into the truck. An automated garbage truck lifts garbage cans from the side. Some garbage trucks use a bucket to pick up very heavy garbage. Garbage trucks unload at landfills. Now it's time to go pick up more garbage. The end.